Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create 3D text in Photoshop. So let's begin. I already opened up the Photoshop and created a canvas with red color. Now I'm gonna write something on it. Let's say I'm writing the word easy and making it larger. Now I will add the layer style on it. Click the FX icon and select the drop shadow. Here I'll change the parameters over here. The opacity should be 5, distance should be 8, spread should be 0, and the size could be 7, and press, and the angle should be 90 degree. Press OK. You can see a shuttle effect on the layer. You barely can see the drop down shadow. Now press Ctrl T from the keyboard, then press the up arrow from the keyboard to move upward only 1 pixel. Press enter. Now press Ctrl Alt Shift and T. If you keep pressing the T, there is a new layer is created. Each time you press the T, new layer is created. I already have created 25 layers. Already 3D effect is created, but this is not done yet. I'm getting back to bottom layer and I'm gonna adjust the drop down shadow. I'm clicking on the FX icon and layer style window appears. Change the opacity to 40, distance to 25, angle to 45, yeah, and size to 0. Maybe you can make the size 2, and here it is. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe my channel, like, comment, share the video. Thank you very much.